How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today, I have this Kia Stinger that is here for full paint correction and ceramic coating. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show. And like in all my details, first thing first is always the wheels and tires, because they are the dirtiest parts of the vehicle. If you're wondering what tools and products I'm using in this detail, all of them are listed in the description down below, and I will label them on the screen as well. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up so that YouTube knows this video is doing good, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Not all the details make it onto YouTube channel. I have my Instagram page as well for a lot of my mobile details. So check out my Instagram page and follow me there as well. Detailing tip of the day: whenever you are interchanging foam cannon and the nozzle tip, make sure to always test them away from the vehicle, just in case if they are not secured properly, they're not flying towards the car, because if they do, they will cause some damage. Like you see me in the video, I even test the foam cannon. This is out of practice, so make sure to always follow this tip. This way you will not damage any of your cars. In the summertime, I change my wash process a little bit. I wash the cars in sections. That way soap doesn't dry on the vehicle, and whenever I'm doing my contact wash, I do the decon process as well. I take a clay mitt, and while there is enough foam on the vehicle, this provides enough lubrication for the clay mitt to do its job, and the decon process is also complete in the same step. For drying the vehicle, I always dampen the towel a little bit. This way there are no swirls and scratches introduced into the paint, because I believe during the drying time a lot of straight lines or straight scratches come onto the paint because the drying towel fibers are very rough. So always dampen the towel a little bit. This helps drying the car faster and it reduces any kind of swirls and scratches. Customer opted for one-step paint correction, and I'm using Kosh Chemi's F6 Fine Cut, and I'm using Lake Country's Orange Pad. This combo worked very well, and I was able to get about 80% improvement on the paint, and I will show you some before and after. And guys, I've been using this F6 for a good minute now, and actually this has become my go-to polish, and this compound works really well. So all these products are listed in the description. You can check them out for yourself. This is one of the most important steps whenever you're doing ceramic coating, that is the IPA wipe down. This removes all the polishing oils and the polishing residue that is left behind, and this also makes sure that the bonding between the paint and the ceramic coating is flawless. Now is the time that I apply ceramic coating to this Kia Stinger, and here I'm using Adams Graphene ceramic coating from a spray bottle. Now you might be wondering, this is not a real coating. Well, actually this is just a 2-year ceramic coating that Adams have come out with. I offer this to my customers who have lease vehicles, or they are on a budget but they want the protection of the ceramic coating and the hydrophobic properties, and this product does just the same. This applies like a regular ceramic coating, and this product works very well. I have a customer who has a Tesla Model S, and I applied this to that particular car, and you can see in this small snippet video down below how the water is just beading right off. This is about 2 months into it, and this ceramic coating is holding up really well. So guys, you can check this product out and you can actually upsell this in your detailing business. last couple of steps of the detail is to apply tire shine to all the tires, and then after that clean all the windows. This way the detail is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.